and today we're going to be talking about how we can leverage Plex's advanced MRP to help you prevent stockouts. What we're looking at here is our planner action report, where users can manage by exception where we need to make more finished goods or WIP material or buy raw components. Sorted by urgency here, we can get ahead of our critical stockouts by understanding when those stockouts or breaches of safety stock are going to fall, and based off the lead times when orders need to be placed. Diving in a little bit deeper to a specific example, we can further see how time-phased requirement planning and system-calculated safety stocks can help us proactively plan our demand and balance inventory appropriately to ensure that we're always at that safety stock level and never stocking out of our materials. With the input of our sales and marketing teams, we can now effectively plan our inventory moving forward in Plex Demandcaster. Hopefully, this helps.